Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to Newswatch 12. Midday, we have just a huge mass of rain and snow that's flowing through the region, and snow levels are around 4,500 feet. They'll be raising up to 5,000 feet a little bit later today. So let's go ahead and show you all this with Stormcast, and we stopped this right around dinner time, and I think that the radar is probably going to look just about the same. Maybe all this will pivot a little bit further to the east, but then finally we'll start to trend much drier into the overnight hours. And then come time for Wednesday morning, yes, we'll still be left over with some showers, but definitely a lot drier compared to today. And the main areas of concern for tomorrow are going to be on a line from Mount Shasta City to Lakeview and points to the south and to the east of there. And that will continue for a lot of the day tomorrow. But you can see just again, overall much drier compared to today. Will be even drier for Thursday and Friday. Actually, a decent amount of sunshine for both of those days. Okay, but back to today and Wednesday. Here's some of the water totals we're expecting for both of those days. And this is rainfall and melted snowfall. And I'm thinking we could have upwards of a ½ inch to 1.5 inches of that for the Rogue and Illinois valleys, for the coast, and up in the Cascades. But definitely a lot less for the Shasta Valley and to the east of the Cascades. Snow levels, again, right around 4,500 feet right now, raising up to around 5,000 feet a little bit later today, and then back to 4,000 feet overnight. You can see there's just not going to be a whole lot of variance with these snow levels over the next 48 hours. Here's some of the snowfall projections we're expecting for today and tomorrow. This is also subject to change, but we're thinking between 1 to 6 inches of new snow for our Siskiyou County passes, between 4 to 8 inches for our east side passes, with some of the heaviest snowfall being around the Warner Mountain Summit in Lake County. And then up in the Cascades, we're thinking another 8 to 18 inches for these passes, then maybe another 6 to 8 inches for Siskiyou Summit. So if we do see more chain requirements, if we do see some road closures, I wouldn't be too surprised, but we'll keep very close tabs on all of that. So for today, we'll have temperatures that'll be about 10 to 15 degrees below average for this time of the year. Pretty chilly out there. Of course, widespread rain and snow, and we'll have the winds gusting out of the south and west upwards of 20 to 25 miles per hour. And then for tonight, the winds will calm down, but the rain and the snow will continue, although it will be a little bit drier in a Wednesday, like you saw in Stormcast. Very nice days for Thursday and Friday. And then here comes that next series of storm systems for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And for now, we're going with medium impacts because we're thinking we could see snow down to around 3,500 feet. And so some minor travel impacts are likely, but this is still, 5-6 days out, so we'll have plenty of time to tweak the details when it comes to this. Okay, here's the 7-day forecast for the coast. Rain likely for today, much drier for Wednesday through Friday, and then more rain and some thunderstorms likely into this week, and also very windy for Sunday. We'll keep a very close eye on that. Then for Siskiyou County, a rain-snow mix for today, mostly snow above 3,000 and 3,500 feet, but then much drier in a Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Definitely some improved roadway conditions. And then for the basin, we'll see the exact same cycle, but more snow in the forecast for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Again, it's just a little bit too early to say how much our passes are going to be impacted from that round, but stay tuned. And for the mountains, very bad pass travel for today. We'll see some improvements into tomorrow. It's kind of the theme across the map, except for in the Rogue Valley where we won't have any snow for today, just rain, but definitely some much nicer days on the horizon for Wednesday through Friday.
Yeah, I mean, it kind of sucks that we won't get no more snow in the Rogue Valley, but I did like seeing that sunshine, so we could
the sunshine was nice. And the day before it snowed, let's see, it snowed on Saturday,
yes,
right?
Yep.
Friday, it was beautiful. It was like 65 degrees. It was sunny. So just kind of, it's that weird time of the year where it doesn't really know what season it wants to be.
That spring, that fall, spring, I don't know what it's called, but like a fall, spring, winter type
fall, spring, back to winter, back to real spring.
All right, well, thank you, Josh.
Yeah.